Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my very first Soulstice Shoppe box. I got this box as part of my $20 to under $30 box side by side. I've never gotten a box before. It smells interesting. Okay, Soulstice Shoppe. So it's Essentials June. I'm gonna hold off on that. Cool. I can already tell that this is a candle for my ofrenda. I love pillar candles. Very cool. Magic light, 7 colors. So a gap here. It's kind of weird, but I'm sure it'll melt into one homogeneous vest. It does not have a smell. I've got some Ahava Dead Sea Salt. Nice. I've got some white sage. It's a smudge stick. It looks like a whole bunch of pieces. It doesn't look like a smudge per se. It smells delicious. I love that smell. I've got a whole bunch of chime candles here. 2 green, 2 white, 2 yellow. Aww. And a sweet little, a chime holder. So green. Nice. That's very cool. I think that this had this on it somewhere because there's green. Yeah, I think it was here probably, which is not a big deal to glue back on. We've got a sample of Kama Sutra incense. We've got a sample of dragon's blood. And then we got a big thing of 25 grams. Is that like 25 sticks of lavender? I'm American and we're ridiculously stubborn about weight. Okay, so that's a good amount. Nice. I believe that this box, this Essentials box, is like to give you things to keep you stocked, which is very like appealing to me. I will always get at least a couple of subscription boxes just to keep, you know, supplies up. And I'm going to lay this down so that it sits where it's supposed to. So these are supplies to keep you stocked, to keep you in business with your magical works. And they're multi-purpose, so I really like that. So you get chime candles, a chime candle holder, a 7-day candle, white sage, and lavender incense with two samples. And the bath salts are not even listed here, but you could totally use this in a wide variety of ways. I love bath salts. I use it constantly, basically. So yeah, I mean, and this, I could even make my own bundles. I can do a whole lot with that. So I actually really dig this box. This is something that I could see myself getting all the time, getting monthly just to keep my stocks up, were I not so backlogged. But I would definitely think that like this would be very helpful to people like me who live rurally and you just can't go to the store and buy this stuff. So very cool. I like this a lot. Soulstice Shoppe Essentials box for June 2020. I like it a lot. It was less than $30 for a wide variety of stuff. And I would definitely buy this again. So as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.